Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that's brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY.com. I'll have all their information in my description box. This wig that I'm going to be doing a show and tell on is from Sensational's Kinks & Co collection. It's Miss Elite Babe, and I have her in a color number 2. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, a defined part, and some hella light lace. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going right in with my Eben New York tinted lace spray, and I have the dark brown, I believe. I'll link that down below in the description box as well. If you guys want to check that out, everything will be in the description box. So this wig is, I'm going to say it's about a medium cap construction. And right now I'm showing you the hairline. It's pretty dense, sis. It's pretty dense. But the parting does not need any work. So I'm happy about that. You can tilt this wig and wear it in a side part. And I probably should have did that because sis was kind of looking cute though. So yes, try her in a side part. But for the sake of this video, I decided to wear it in a middle part. And y'all, check out this texture. I decided to use my blow dryer to just flatten the wig down at the top, and I had my heat up a little bit too high, so it straightened the roots, but I feel like it helped lay it down, so we all good in the neighborhood. Just be careful if you're going to use that method. It's definitely not my method of choice. Normally I use a hot comb to flatten down the top of my wigs. As I mentioned beforehand, the lace is really light on this wig, so for a little bit more reinforcement, I took my foundation and I added it to the part of the lace as well as the front of the lace in hopes to help this lace blend even more with my skin complexion. To define my part, I just took my Ruby Kisses concealer palette, and one con that I noticed about this wig, I don't know if it's with everyone's wig, but right there in the middle where you see me kind of concentrating, it was like a line of demarcation in the lace. So you definitely want to go in with some concealer or some pressed powder to get that together. But it came together nicely, so I really can't complain about that. And just for the sake of security, I'm using a little bit of Got2b glue to help lay the lace flatter in just the front. It doesn't need it on the side unless you want to glue it all the way down, but it really doesn't need it. That's one thing that I love about this wig. It's a throw on and go wig for the most part. You don't have to do too much to make it work and be on your way out the door. To cap off this video, of course, I got to give you guys my overall opinion about Miss Elite Babe, right? So we're going to start with the texture, of course. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture of these units by Sensational's Kinks and Curl line. They did that hands down. I really love this wig. You have to groom the layers and help them form and lay properly. So that's another thing that, you know, may be a con for some, but it worked out with me. With a couple spritz of water, everything came together. I did get a good amount of shedding, so I wanted to note that. I wore it for the rest of that day and I didn't get any tangling, which I love. Oh my gosh. And the length, so perfect for everyday wear, for work, special occasions, anything. I feel like this is an all-purpose wig, and it's definitely a wig I would suggest for you guys to have in your wig arsenal. If this is your style, you love texture wigs, then I would say this is the wig for you. Last but not least, I wanted to show you guys the length of this wig. It's about 14 inches on me. Once again, perfect for everyday wear. Density is great, nice and full. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And again, check out SAMSBEAUTY.com. All their information will be in my description box. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat.